In this video, we're talking about Orochi Network. Token legit or scam? Before investing on this token, do your own research and let's get started. What is this, friends? This is a very valuable data infrastructures designed to ensure integrated and privacy through advanced cryptography technique Orochi. This is a private secure for processing data. So guys, this is based on designed and help to get integrated and privacy, and this is very valuable data. As I say, if I scroll down this website, you can guys build with us. Click this one, you can use this token here, you can fill the form to join this application form here, just write your all details here. This is the project. I have 140 plus project on Orochi ecosystem. Total prover. So guys, this is total prover. Total verified proves this number here, almost 720 million. This is of Web3 and slowly limit data and data availability. You have easily and high performance applications, secured and cost effective. This is the collab with all platform like Alkind Plan, Nations 8 and Nexus. So this is partner option. If I check, price is $0.24, all time high almost $0.34. The budget is 85%. And then I see here some also data here. Total supply is 700 million of this token, max supply 1 billion. So guys, this token listed on PancakeSwap, Uniswap V4, Binance Alpha, BankX, and Orbit, and all the exchange platform. I see some engage here on this community. This is good insight and good indicator. So this is engaging here. If I check the distribution of this token, hold this 1.5 thousand member. Top 10 guys, 96% with 23 million, a huge number here of the top holders of this token. I see some transaction here, not yet good, but it's a good amount of transfer here. So guys, before investing on this token, do your own research. I give this token 7.5 on 10, and this is not financial advice. This is the section of blockchain based on Ethereum, developer, blockchain, and Nexus, layer 1. Thanks for watching this video, guys.